Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel, and welcome to this guided morning meditation to feel like your best self. Let's start by coming into a relaxing position. You can be seated or lying down. From here, start to close your eyes and come back to your breath. As you breathe, begin to put a smile on your face. If you have to force a smile, that's okay. Observe your breath now, not judging your breath and not trying to breathe a certain way. Just observe and honor the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice what it feels like to be alive today. You are exactly where you are supposed to be, right here, right now. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to think of all the people, places, and things that you are grateful for in your life right now. Your list could be short or it could be long. Continue to think and keep your focus on these people, places, and things, and just bask in this gratitude. Next, I want you to shift all of your focus on yourself. Think of everything about yourself that you are grateful for. Start with every little thing that makes you who you are. The fact that there is no one else quite like you in this world is pretty amazing. Think of everything you have to offer. Think of all the souls you have touched along the way in your journey. Just by being yourself, you automatically become indifferent, unique, and valuable to this world. Never forget that. With this presence of gratitude, I want you to remember the best day or the best days of your life. Take your time. Who were you with? What were you doing? What emotions were you feeling? Recognize the euphoric energy that was around you and the natural high you were on. Begin now to embody that energy in this present moment. Bring all of those blissful feelings into you now. As we send the past some love, I want you to know that these good feelings and energy are always available to you. It's just like taking water from a source. You are the source. Now shift your focus and awareness back to right now. Keeping your eyes closed, possessing the same feelings and energy from the best days of your life, know it to be true now that today could very well be the next best day of your life. You might not know who or what will enter your life today. You might not know where today will take you, but that's okay. It's more memorable that way. Finally, I want you to think about your future. What are all those goals and dreams that you have? Bring them to the point of your focus now. I want you to imagine these goals as accomplished and notice how good it feels to have all your hard work and dedication paid off. You don't have to know exactly how, who, or when these goals will come to fruition. All you have to do is trust that they will and let go of how they will come to be. Let the universe and life take care of the little details. Start now to come back to this present moment and come back to your natural breath. We'll finish this morning's meditation by doing a full body scan. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to send all of your awareness and energy into your feet. Bring this awareness and energy into your toes, your heels, your ankles, and move this energy up into your calves, your shins. Bring this energy to your knees. Keep moving up your leg. Bring this awareness to your thighs, your hamstrings, your glutes and your hips. Bring this awareness into your abdomen, your ribs, and your low back. Bring this energy up into your chest, shoulders, and collarbones. And send this energy down into your arms, your triceps, your elbows, forearms. Bring this energy into your hands and your fingers and your fingertips. Now bring this energy and awareness back up your arms and into your neck and your throat. Bring this energy and awareness up into your face. Bring this energy up into your third eye. All of your awareness and energy on your third eye. And now finally bring this energy and awareness up into the crown of your head and simply just hold it here. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you all have amazing days. Namaste.